Hey guys, how to have ignited classrooms? Well, there is a possibility. There is a possibility, and of course, there is a probability as well. Ignition of the classroom scenario is a requisite, not only a requirement. And for teachers, it is a mandatory requirement to make the classroom a hub for learning and creativity, research, and explorage of knowledge, particularly to the pride of learning. Yes, of course, we share the commonality in this ground and to the perfection of learning to learn as a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence for all very students in the classroom. Ignition talks about a scenario where monitoring is done to the perfection of adapting academic excellence, techniques, and the probability is attitude is everything. And to every problem, there are two solutions: run away or participate. In Hindi, it is bhaglo or bhaglo, which basically means either you run away, say thank you, or you participate in the problem for solving it to the best of the choice is yours. And to that segment, there can be an excellence only with the 3A formula, which guarantees the fact towards making the conscious decision of learning to learn as a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence. Teaching excellence, the 3A formula: attention, affection, and appreciation, that monitors learning to the pride of understanding, recognition, and learning within classrooms. For the segment arises of the pride, yes, I can do it approach. But the fact remains that I can do better with time with the 3A formula of giving attention, exploring affection, and appreciating the students or the colleagues and the people around. That is what we come across. At the same time, we cannot teach the way we were taught. The ignition of the classroom is only possible when we do some innovation in the classroom, do some exploration in the classroom. And above all, learning to learn should be a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence. As a pride of learning, tackling the I know generation, not so easy to. In order to do so, we need to cultivate imagination. Cultivation of imagination, we need to foster the creativity and, above all, create the passion by creating emotional connections in particular. That is going to be the spectrum of learning. And above all, in order to ignite the classrooms, we need to show the enthusiasm for the work. We need to demonstrate the value of learning, the material, and above all, we need to make sure that for us teachers, our passion is the spark that ignites the power of learning. So we need to execute that passion of ignition in the classroom for learning to happen. The other is the scenario wherein we can have ignition of passion in the classroom and in the scenario of learning with the capacity of making the priority of learning to learn through an activity. The activity orientation of learning as a package embarks and defines of a periodic nature of learning with pride. Above all, the more you learn, the more you earn towards the knowledge of excellence and recognition. And I believe that being patient, you can answer questions, you can put in or log in or write to me on any requisite which requires of your being in the classroom, which talks about some answer, something of earning respect, honor, pride within the classrooms. That's all from my end. Stay in tune with some more modules in addition. Take care and stay blessed.